Okay, today we are going to cover installing the foot straps and the landing gear. First thing you want to do is take a 1/4-inch drill bit and drill through these holes on the bottom of your foot plates. These will allow the bolts to come through the hydroturf. Then, on your foot straps, just kind of quickly pull that back, and with the same 1/4-inch drill bit, just drill all 4 holes, both sides, and then put it back together. And then I have one bolt in this one right here already, and I'll put the other one in. On the left side, with the name facing up, on the left side you'll want to go through this side, but on the other side you'll be going the opposite way with the bolts. Okay, then you're going to take your bolt. Always make sure you use washers with your bolts and your nuts. You're going to go this way, put it through the hole, and then just like the other side, you're going to thread it right through. Okay, as you see, I've gotten both bolts in. The reason we put them through like this is so that if you put them in the other side, the bolt sticking out could injure your foot, scrape it, cut it, whatever. So we put it through this way, and to put the bolts right there so your foot is completely safe. Then you just move this over, and with a little bit of effort, get that one through. Yeah. Oh. And push the other one through. Washer. And that's how you install the foot straps. It's always better, always easier, to put them on before you put the foot plates on, so that way you have the versatility of moving it around for comfort and ease. Okay, the next step in the process is putting the foot plates on the bike. Then we can put the landing gear on. Okay, now we are going to install the landing gear. You will put your bushings in first, into here, hold them on, because they will fall out, they do every time. Then, bring them up, take your bolts, line them up, then you move everything up into place. And when putting these together, always make sure when you put it together, it's all loose. Come around. Okay, we have this bolt into here, and as with everything else, just get it in there loose. So then, we get our pieces to our upper shock mount, including 4 5/16 bolts. Okay, we have the upper shock mount bracket installed. We have the button head screws to the outside, so the sharp parts to the inside, so nobody gets hurt, cut, scratched, anything like that. Next thing you do is you take your shock, and you're going to come through here with your long bolt, through the spacer, through the shock. Get your other spacer, come through, and through the other side. Then you'll take your washer with your acorn nut and put it in there. Like that. Once again, leaving everything loose until you get everything done. Then you take your quick disconnect Put it right through there, like that, and your landing gear is installed. You go back through, you tighten everything up, make sure everything's operational, and you're good to go.